Penny stocks provide higher returns compared to other forms of securities. In simple words, they can make you really rich. Do you know which the best penny stocks to invest in right now are? If you want to know the answer, make sure to watch this video until the end. Hello future billionaires, welcome to Penny Stocks Lifestyle, the channel where you get stock inspiration, motivation and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. In today's video, we will be talking about Pacific Holding Corp and the top 3 penny stocks to buy now. Without any further ado, let's dive in. At number 3, we have Heat Biologics Inc., HTBX. Heat Biologics Inc. is a clinical stage company that was founded by Jeffrey Allen Wolf on June 10, 2008. It is headquartered in Morrisville, North Carolina. They are engaged in the development of immunotherapies designed to activate and expand a patient's T-cell-mediated immune system against cancer. Their T-cell activating platform produces therapies designed to turn immunologically cold tumors to hot and be administered in combination with checkpoint inhibitors and other immunomodulators to increase clinical effectiveness. Its TCAP product candidates from the company's Impact and Compact platforms are produced from allogenic cell lines, expressing tumor-specific proteins common among cancers. They made tremendous progress on their clinical programs in 2020. Positive interim data was reported from their Phase 2 trial of HS110, which demonstrated evidence of substantial survival benefit. They are currently evaluating possible Phase 3 registration pathways for HS110 in combination with a checkpoint inhibitor, and intend to review these plans with the FDA as well as potential partners. They initiated a Phase 1 clinical trial of their first-in-class antibody therapeutic PTX35 in patients with solid tumors in 2020. In response to the COVID-19 pandemic, they initiated a COVID-19 vaccine program in collaboration with the University of Miami, and have advanced this program forward into scale-up manufacturing. They also have a strong balance sheet with approximately $132 million, which will allow them to accelerate their current clinical programs and enhance their development and manufacturing capability to expand their therapeutic portfolio. Shares of Heat Biologics Inc. more than doubled recently in a very active trading day after the company focused on modulating the immune system reported positive interim data from a Phase 2 trial of its lung cancer treatment. The stock soared 115% toward a 7-month high, ahead of the open on a volume of 15.1 million shares. The company claimed a trial of its HS110 in combination with Bristol Myers Squibb's OPDIVO in advanced non-cell lung cancer showed a great survival benefit, with a median progression-free survival of 1.8 months and a median overall survival of 24.6 months. Data suggests that the addition of HS110 to a checkpoint inhibitor has the potential to improve survival benefit for checkpoint inhibitor-naive NSCLC patients. The stock has rallied 16.1% over the past few months. HTBX is currently trading at a price of $7.46. As per forecasts, a long-term increase is expected. The price prediction for HTBX for 2026 is more than $8.5. With a 5-year investment, the revenue is expected to be around plus 13.7%. Your current $100 investment may be up to $113.7 in 2026. Number 2 is 22nd Century Group Inc., XXII. 22nd Century Group is a plant biotechnology company that is focused on potentially reduced-risk tobacco cigarettes and smoking cessation products produced from modifying the nicotine content in tobacco plants. They achieve this through plant breeding and genetic engineering, along with research and development of unique cannabis through plant breeding and genetic engineering. They have an extensive intellectual property portfolio of patent applications and issued patents relating to cannabis plants and tobacco. Their management team is focused on monetizing its intellectual property portfolio. They are developing X22, a smoking cessation aid that consists of very low nicotine or VLN cigarettes. Their other activities include manufacturing and distribution of its Red Sun and Magic cigarettes, contract manufacturing of third-party branded tobacco products, and research and development of plant varieties of cannabis, and production of Spectrum Research cigarettes for the National Institute on Drug Abuse. The company has a tremendous global commercial opportunity in the more than $800 billion markets across the cannabis and tobacco industry. Their main priority is securing Modified Risk Tobacco Product, or MRTP, authorization for VLN. They are confident that the FDA is in the final stages of the review process related to its application. The company is fully prepared and eager to launch VLN Menthol King and VLN King within 90 days of receiving MRTP designation. MRTP designation is a catalyst for the tobacco franchise and the VLN brand through licensing and partnership agreements internationally and in the US. They are also confident that the recent political changes will be favorable to its business prospects from a policy priority and regulatory standpoint. They believe that the FDA will now be re-energized in implementing its groundbreaking comprehensive plan for tobacco and nicotine regulation under the new administration. They have secured 4 out of 5 key partnerships needed to maximize each component in the upstream segment of the cannabis value chain. These partnerships will enable 22nd Century to accelerate the new development of valuable commercial cannabis lines and intellectual property to market in 2 years, while it monetizes a portion of the company's current portfolio of intellectual property from its previous license agreement with Anandia Laboratories. They are also in final discussions with top-tier plant breeders that will be announced soon. They also have a strong balance sheet with approximately $22.3 million. Additional cash of $11.8 million received from warrants exercised in February and March 2021 will provide the company with an additional runway to fuel current operations, growth, and strategy initiatives. It is currently trading at a price of $3.48 per share. Finally, at number 1, we have Sun Pacific Holding Corp, SNPW. Sun Pacific Holding Corp is a green energy company, and they are specialized in waste-to-energy and solar technologies. They are headquartered in New Jersey, United States. The main focus of the company is on deploying its subject matter capabilities and experiences in green energy solutions. They build, develop, design, and manage green technologies which support renewable energy solutions. The company also offers advertising space on place-based solar trash bins, solar digital shelters, bus shelters, and on bus benches, as well as through their subsidiary, Street Smart Outdoor Corp. Their energy lighting solutions and solar panel bus shelters offer customers turnkey systems that reduce the total cost of ownership while being environmentally friendly. The other subsidiaries include Street Smart Outdoor Corp, Bella Electrical LLC, Sun Pacific Power Corp, Sun Pacific Security Corp, and National Mechanical Corp. They are providing a positive outlook for 2021 with new partnerships and expected project launches, which the company believes has the potential to create a new foundation for growth. There was a delay in their proposed 50-megawatt solar farm project in Durango, Mexico, due to COVID-19, but it has now continued development and is now undergoing a financial review with a funding group and a selected EPC. Financial closing and the commencement of construction in 2021 are being targeted with this partnership. They have a member with Geopath, a non-profit organization that independently reports and audits ratings for out-of-home or OOH advertising. Geopath utilizes media research methodologies, technology, and state-of-the-art data, along with a holistic, integrated approach to provide powerful tools that measure and analyze audience location and show how consumers engage with OOH advertising. One of the company's subsidiaries, Street Smart Outdoor Corp, will become a member of Geopath. This membership is expected to support a strategy for expanding its market reach to targeted advertisers in the OOH industry. By adding the company's subsidiary Street Smart Outdoor Corp's inventory to the Geopath's Insight Suite, they are expecting to witness enhanced metrics that are key to advertisers, both nationwide and locally, which empowers an increase in data-driven buying. They also recently announced MOU with Atlas Transit Solutions to collaborate on the development of a high-efficiency off-grid digital plug-and-play modular unit that will develop a new smart bus shelter, which integrates new software as a service that enhances the commuter's experience while driving a new, unique and proprietary product offering. One of their subsidiaries, MedRecycler RI Inc., is continuing to progress through the regulatory process for the approval to construct a 48,000 SF state-of-the-art pyrolysis facility, which is expected to process 70 tons of medical waste per day. Hopefully, with the completion of financing and approval, the project will be operational by the end of 2021. National Mechanical Group, another subsidiary of the company, is taking steps towards the preparation and testing for UL certification for its patented glassless solar panels for government and commercial use. The approval for this new proprietary product will provide the company with partnership arrangements and licensing, which will drive the monetization of this unique company-held IP. It is currently trading at a price of $0.056 per share. Sun Pacific Holding Corp is a profitable investment option if you're looking for stocks with a good return. A long-term increase is expected at the stock price for 2026, with prices up to $0.133. With a 5-year investment, the revenue is expected to be around 137.15%. Your current $100 investment may be worth up to $237.15 in 2026. If you'd like to stay up to date with the best and latest content about stocks and entrepreneurship, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like on this video. Did you find this video valuable, or do you want to add anything? Make sure to let us know in the comment sections down below. We are posting a new video every day with the most undervalued stocks in the market right now.